Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to create a invite link in your Lovable application. So guys, if you're working any project and if you want to invite your friends, your company colleagues, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you simply go here, then guys go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, you simply go to the option of people. Here you see, when you click on the option of people, so guys, here you see, here you just export the detail of the person, export all the workspace member as a CSV including the monthly uses and the credit limits. And if you want to invite link, so you just click here and here you select the role. Okay, and if you want to invite through by yourself by using the mail, so you just enter the mail here and send the invitation. Okay, so guys, here you see that you cannot invite yourself, so here I'm entered my own email, so here I'm entered the new mail. At gmail.com and simply click the option of invite, and guys, here you see that invitation is sent. Okay, so this is the way that guys you can do, and you just received the mail and you just accept the invitation. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.